AirPods Pro are the most popular earbuds in the world. While in smartphone game, Apple is not leading the competition, on the earbuds field, Apple is number one worldwide. Just go outside, take a look around, and it's very likely that you will find someone with white plastic steams coming out of their ears. Even almost 3 years after their original release, AirPods Pro are fantastic. They offer great audio quality, a comfortable fit, exceptional noise cancelling feature, and access to neat features such as spatial audio and conversation boost with future software update. Even with growing competition, the Apple AirPods Pro are the best true wireless earbuds around. Today, they may not feature the best sound quality on the market, nor do they have the best water-resistant rating anymore, not the cheapest option neither, but they are still the best choice even in 2021 or 2022. Let me explain you why. They came originally at the end of 2019 with a starting price of almost €300 or $250 in America. I bought mine about a year ago on a sale for just €190. I think it's a fair price for this type of product. And just to begin with, there is nothing pro in the AirPods Pro. It's just a better, more sophisticated version of your regular wireless AirPods, and that's fine. So 2.5 years later, after it was originally released, the good stuff about AirPods Pro. Better sound quality than standard AirPods, noise cancellation is very effective, deep software integration with iOS and iPhone, spatial audio, good battery life, regular software updates with new features. And some bad stuff. The most expensive AirPods yet. It's impossible to listen lossless music due to Bluetooth limitation. Better experience only for Apple's ecosystem users. Limited lifespan of 2 or 3 years maximum. Weak microphone quality. They are way better than any standard wireless earbuds. The killing feature is of course noise cancellation. This feature still blows my mind even today. I'm the type of a guy who don't like noisy and crowded places. I hate listening to my stupid neighbors' conversations. I hate hearing cheap scooter engine sound and all the city traffic noises that are just cluttering my mind and my spirit. I think a lot of you guys are living in cities like Paris or New York, and you know how noisy sometimes it gets. Let's talk about the design. The first two models of AirPods were hard plastic earbuds that sat in your ears just like Apple's iconic iPod headphones. This design did the AirPods well, as evidenced by their massive success. But the one-size-fits-most approach always leaves some of us in the cold. They fit okay for me, but there are some people for whom it won't fit perfect. You just need to try them. Anyway, they're exceptionally comfortable to wear. The vent system also reduces wind noise when you're on a voice call. A good seal with in-ear earbuds is crucial to getting the best sound for them. For the pros, Apple includes multiple sizes of silicone tips, small, medium and large, so everyone will be able to find its perfect size. Battery life and lifespan. I'm using mine for about a year now and battery life is still great for me. It's enough for 2 to 3 days of active usage, and they keep on a single charge up to 4 hours, and just 5 minutes of charge gives you 2 hours of listening time. That's not bad at all, and the case gives you extra 24 hours of playback. Wireless charging. Another killing feature is wireless charging. I'm never thinking about charging them cause they are always juiced on my wireless pad at my office or in my car, so it frees my mind of thinking about charging another device. It's almost all the time at 100%. Sound quality. It's good. Not the best one because you will never get super high-end sound on the wireless earbuds, it's just a limitation of Bluetooth connectivity. It is not capable of playing lossless files because of their high bitrate and size. So even if you're listening to lossless file, it still comes as regular audio quality. For true high-end experience, you need to have wired headphones. But for daily usage, AirPods Pro are just okay. I like how it sounds, it's enough for most people. Price. They are quite pricey. At almost 300 euros, I think it's way too much for a product that will last you maximum 3 years. Because in 3 years, no matter how you will be using them, their batteries will be dead anyway. Getting back to price. Well, nowadays there are a lot of sales on the internet. You can pick them for just 190 euros as I did on Amazon or any other platforms. They are quite often on sale. I think for 200 euros or 200 bucks, it's just okay. Should you wait for a new version of AirPods Pro 2? I don't think they will be much better, maybe just on paper. The Pros remain even today an excellent choice for most of us. Battery life is great, it's rated at 4.5 hours with noise cancellation and transparency mode. If you keep both off, you get some 5 hours as regular AirPods. As nowadays, the AirPods case contains enough juice for 24 hours of overall battery time. If you got an iPhone and have never bought AirPods before, they may be a perfect choice for you. But their appeal is still inherently tied to the Apple ecosystem. The AirPods Pro still works fine with all Android phones, noise cancellation and other features, but you lose all nice software touches that really makes the AirPods Pro so effortless to use. But for everyone carrying an iPhone in their pocket, it's hard to point you to any other direction than the AirPods Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks again and see you later. Bye bye.